Hello and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing an easy task, which is removing the Fiat Punto complete door. This one's fairly easy to do and I believe anyone can do this at home. And without further ado, let's get into our main demonstration. Here we have our door. We're going to start the process by first disconnecting the door stay. On the inside, when you open the door, all of the doors will have the same thing. It's a number 6 Allen key. And we'll remove the door stay first, and then next is the plug for the door assembly, like so. Disconnect the plug. This is probably one of the easiest doors to remove from a vehicle I have ever seen. And once this plug is off, we're going to detach the door partially from the hinges, and we're going to slide it upwards to release the door from the body of the vehicle. With a 10mm, so over there we have one 10mm bolt at the bottom, as you can see, and then we have another 10mm at the top hinge, either with a spanner or a 10mm key, whichever one you can get in there with. Remove those 10mm bolts, top first or bottom first, does not really matter. You can change tools if you're finding it hard to open it. And then once these bolts are off, and so just to show you, once everything is off, all you need to do is slide the door upwards to dislocate it from the body of the vehicle. So I will show you the part where it slides down on the door. So over here, that's the locator that goes onto the body of the vehicle over here. Thank you for watching. I hope you have found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe to support the channel. And we will see you in our upcoming videos.